Hello students, I wish you all very happy and enthusiastic day. Today we are going towards the revision of the COP and the anthem. That is the wonderful story which you have already learned through my videos. So we'll go through the discussion of question answers of the COP and the anthem. Here the first question on the COP and the anthem. What are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? So, which are the signs which are referred in this text which indicates the approaching winter? Answer. The narrator says that when birds begin to fly south, when people want new warm coats, and when dead leaves fall, one can be sure that winter is near. So, you have to mark it, dear students, which are the signs that the birds begin to fly south, people want new warm coats, and dead leaves fall. In that case, it is sure that winter is near. So these are the signs. Question number 2 will go towards suppose no cop came at the end, what would Sophie's life be like through the winter? The meaning, suppose no cop would have been arrested him, what kind of life Sophie would have. Suppose no cop had come at the end of the story, Sophie would have perhaps given up on his bad ways in accordance with the promise he had made upon seeing his old home and remembering his childhood days. He would have looked for the man who had offered him a job and then, upon getting the job, would have started leading an honest man's life. So try to understand, dear students, if the cop would not been arrested him, what would have been the Sophie's life? Question number 3. Write true or false against each of the following. Question 1. Sophie did not want to go to prison. It's false. Actually, Sophie wanted to go to prison. Number 2. Sophie had been to prison several times. It's true. Before also, Sophie had been there to prison. Number 3. It was not possible for Sophie to survive in the city through the winter. False. Why? Because there were places in the city where he could go and ask for food and a bed. These would be given to him. Number 4. Sophie hated to answer question of a personal nature. True. It's true that he hated to answer the questions of personal nature. We'll go towards question number 4. Question number 4. Retell an episode in the story which is a good example of irony in a situation. So, answer is one of the ironic episodes in the story was when Sophie decided to turn a new leaf on seeing new life on seeing his old home and remembering his childhood days. He decided to fight to change his life. He would pull himself up and make a man of himself again. Right at that moment, a cop asked him what he was doing there. He answered that he was not doing anything. The cop did not believe him and Sophie began to argue in his defense. The cop arrested him and he was sentenced to 3 months of prison on Blackwell's Island. See, this is the good example of irony in situation, because prior Sophie did many wrong things purposefully, but he was not arrested. But when he decided that he will change his life and he would become a good person, at the same moment the cop arrested him and the cop did not believe what he was actually saying. So this is the example of irony, dear students. Here we have discussed 4 questions. The remaining questions we'll discuss in the next video. So thank you very much.